Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Amazon Business is a B2B, business-to-business, platform provided by Amazon that caters specifically to the needs of businesses and organizations. It offers a wide range of products, services, and features to help businesses streamline their purchasing processes, access competitive pricing, and manage their procurement efficiently. With Amazon Business, businesses can create accounts, add multiple users, and enjoy business-specific benefits such as tax-exempt purchasing, detailed reporting, and customizable order approvals. Overall, Amazon Business aims to simplify the purchasing experience for businesses, offering a convenient, reliable, and scalable platform for their procurement needs. It combines the extensive product catalog, competitive pricing, and logistical capabilities of Amazon with business-specific features and benefits to meet the unique requirements of B2B customers. There are several ways to make money from an Amazon business. Here are some strategies you can consider. Sell products on Amazon. The most common way to make money on Amazon is by selling physical products through their platform. You can start by finding a profitable product niche, sourcing products, and creating product listings on Amazon. Focus on optimizing your listings, pricing competitively, and providing excellent customer service to attract buyers. Private label products. Another approach is to create your own brand and sell private label products. This involves finding manufacturers or suppliers who can create products with your branding, packaging, and specifications. Private labeling allows you to differentiate your products and potentially command higher prices. Retail arbitrage. This method involves buying products at a lower price from retail stores or other online platforms and reselling them on Amazon for a profit. You can take advantage of price differences, clearance sales, or special promotions to find products with a good margin. Wholesale. With wholesale, you can buy products in bulk directly from manufacturers or distributors at a discounted price and sell them on Amazon. This requires establishing relationships with suppliers and managing inventory and logistics effectively. Fulfillment by Amazon FBA. Amazon's FBA program allows you to store your products in their fulfillment centers. Amazon handles the picking, packing, shipping, and customer service on your behalf. Utilizing FBA can save you time and help you reach Amazon Prime customers, enhancing your chances of making sales. Merch by Amazon. If you have design skills or access to graphic designers, you can create and sell custom t-shirts, hoodies, and other merchandise through Amazon's merch program. Amazon takes care of printing, shipping, and customer service, while you earn royalties on each sale. Kindle Direct Publishing KDP. If you enjoy writing, consider self-publishing ebooks through Amazon's KDP platform. You can create and sell digital books to a wide audience, earning royalties on each sale. Amazon Affiliate Program. By joining Amazon's affiliate program, you can promote products on your website, blog, or social media channels and earn a commission for every purchase made through your affiliate links. Choose products that align with your audience's interests and create valuable content to increase your chances of conversions. Remember that success on Amazon requires thorough research, careful planning, and ongoing optimization. It's essential to stay updated with Amazon's policies, marketplace trends, and customer preferences to stay competitive and maximize your earnings. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment.
Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.